What interest rate can I expect on a commercial real estate loan? If you are considering a commercial real estate loan, you might be wondering about the interest rates you can expect. Let's break it down so you can have a clear picture. In 2025, commercial real estate loan interest rates typically range from about 5% to over 9%. The exact rate you receive will depend on several factors, including the type of loan, the property you are purchasing, the loan-to-value ratio, and your creditworthiness as a borrower. Banks and credit unions often start their rates around 5.29% for certain multifamily loans. However, rates can increase for different property types and loan structures. For example, if you are looking at retail, office, or industrial properties, you might see rates starting around 6.28%. Specialized properties like hotels or motels can carry rates from about 6.28% to 7.5% or higher. The loan-to-value ratio is an important aspect to consider. A lower loan-to-value ratio means you are financing a smaller percentage of the property value, which usually results in a lower interest rate. Typically, commercial loans have loan-to-value ratios ranging from 65% to 80%. Some government-backed loans, such as the Small Business Administration's SBA 500 for loans, can allow for up to 90% loan-to-value ratios. The type of loan term and structure also plays a role in determining your interest rate. Loans with longer terms, around 7 to 10 years, may have slightly higher rates compared to shorter terms of 5 years. Additionally, loans on stabilized, income-producing properties often qualify for better rates than those on transitional or riskier assets. Your creditworthiness is another key factor. Lenders will assess your financial strength and credit history. Stronger borrowers with solid financials typically receive more favorable rates. If you are considering government-backed loans, such as the SBA 7A or SBA 500 for loans, be aware that these may have higher rates than conventional bank loans. For instance, SBA 7A loans might have rates around 7.5%, while SBA 500 for loans are closer to 6.7%. Market conditions and central bank policies also influence interest rates. In 2025, commercial mortgage rates reflected benchmark Treasury yields in the range of 3.9% to 4.4% plus lender spreads. When approaching a bank or credit union for a commercial real estate loan, here are some expected interest rates based on property types. Multifamily loans over $6 million may start around 5.29%, while those under $6 million could be around 5.75%. Retail, office, and industrial properties might see rates around 6.28%, and owner-occupied commercial properties could be around 6.8%. Bridge loans, which are short-term and higher risk, can have rates around 9% or higher. Remember, these rates reflected current market conditions and typical offerings from banks and credit unions. Actual rates will vary based on your specific property, loan amount, and lender policies. In summary, understanding the interest rates for commercial real estate loans involves considering various factors including property type, loan terms, and your financial profile. Be prepared to discuss your property cash flow and overall risk with lenders to get the best rate possible.